You off then? Yeah, just run away. Leave everybody else to fix your mess. You need to stay here and you need to face up to what you've done.
Daniel, I've done nothing wrong. I've been in this exact same situation before when Tina died. And they point the finger at me and I had nothing. I had no alibi, I had no defense, I had no nothing, okay? I can't go to prison. Not again. I'm not waiting for them to come for me. I'm leaving while I still can.
Well, what makes you so convinced that you're going to go to prison? If you've done nothing wrong, like you said.
Just leave it, Daniel, please.
Did you attack Adam or didn't you? What, you can't even look me in the face anymore? You did it, didn't you? Just admit it, Peter.